So it's the time of year when we put the bird feeders out, and I like to buy my bird seed when I find it on sale. I'll buy huge bags of black oil sunflower seed, and I'll take the cheap stuff or something else that's on sale, and I'll mix it together for one blend, and then have just the black oil sunflower seed just for be by itself. And I like to throw in peanuts and anything that has like a fruit blend, because you'll start getting the Cardinals and the Blue Jays and stuff. And I will show you in a minute my yard. So we will go fill up some of the feeders. This is my platform feeder that I made out of wood and a old-fashioned window screen. This one gets a lot of use. I'll have 2 or 3 squirrels on it. I'll get blue jays, chickadees, nuthatches, tufted titmouses. I got one that I just use for mealworms, because they love those. This one I usually use for black oil sunflower seeds. This one has seen better days. These are ones that I made with my little guy out of homemade suet. Just rendered beef fat, melted down, strained, and then mixed seed in, poured into the cup, and let it get cold, and it stays. Now you can make one for summertime, which is a no melt one, and that usually consists of cornmeal and oatmeal. Chicken's area needs to be cleaned up. And here's another small platform feeder that just hangs here. Then I got some areas for the squirrels to eat. I've had to modify this one a few times because the squirrels have decided to chew away some of the wood trying to get stuff out. And this one I just starting to fill right now. So, well, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.